I feel like this is my first YouTube video ever. Okay, I have taken 2 months off and I feel like this is my very first YouTube video ever because I feel a little bit of anxiety when it comes to talking to a camera. I don't physically see you guys watching my video, or like I'm not actually talking to you guys. I'm just like by myself talking to a camera and it's a little awkward. I want to share with you guys my review of products that are new to me, and some products are not so new to me, but I kind of just want to make this video because a lot of the products that I will be using are from YSL. YSL is a bougie brand. So I want to share whether I think some of these products are worth the splurge or whether I think they're not. Majority of the products will be YSL, and if they are not YSL, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, I will have all of these products linked down below in the description box for you if you are interested in purchasing any of these. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. First and foremost, I have I might be mispronouncing these because it's bougie language. This is the Touche? No, not Touche. The Touche Eclat Blur Primer. Take a look at that. Let's read up on this primer here, and this here retails for $56. It is a non-greasy, lightweight makeup primer with light-infused pigments and 4 nourishing oils that blur imperfections and smooths the look of skin. This is for skin types that are normal, dry, and combination and oily, so basically all skin types. My skin type is oily, so we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna bring my mirror over here so I can give you guys my first impression. It has a pretty scent. Can't describe it. It's not fragrance free, but it's also like not too overpowering, you know? And I do see little glitter particles on my face. My skin right now, I'm noticing that it blurs the look of your pores. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my forehead. I really like it. The next product I'm going to use, it is not new to me. It's actually one of my favorite skin tints that I have tried to date. And this is the YSL Skin Tint. It's the Bare Look Tint. And I'm using the color NU14. It's not full coverage, but it evens out my complexion. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but I have a lot of redness on my cheeks due to the rosacea that I have. And then I do have acne marks, as you guys can see. So let's get this on. I like to apply it to my hand like that. I put a decent amount, as you guys can see, and I'm going to put some more over to this hand and just apply it as I would with a moisturizer. I love this for an everyday because I don't like using heavy makeup on an everyday basis. I like to just look put together and just like head out my house super fast. Like I don't have to spend too much time on this. This is also the perfect match for me. I feel like it paired up really well with this primer. When I went to go wash my hands, I had this foundation on my counter. I forgot that I have the YSL foundation. I do have a full review of this on my Instagram though, so if you guys want to make your way, actually I'll have it linked down below, a direct link to see a review of this foundation. But yeah, I wish I would have worn this with the primer. But I really do like the skin tint, and I think it works super good with the, what was I saying? The skin tint works really good with the primer. Again, bear with me. It's been 2 months since I've made a YouTube video. Because I am using the skin tint, I'm going to be using the YSL. Let me read on this, okay? This is the YSL All Over Brightening Concealer Pen. This has a light coverage, which is why I'm pairing it with the skin tint. It has a radiant finish. It's a liquid formula and it is very hydrating. It is a cult favorite. It's sheer and shimmer free. It's a brightening concealer pen used to create an all over natural highlight. I haven't used this in some time, so let me see what we're working with here. My dark circles are a little chaotic right now. Let's see how brightening this is. The color I'm using, by the way, is number 2.5. I feel like I need to apply more right here and over here. Okay, that really did brighten up my under eye, even though it's like a sheer coverage. Like, I like that. It looks really natural and it goes really good with the skin tint. I've never tried it with the skin tint. I think I've only tried this by itself just to brighten my under eye area, but it goes really good with the skin tint. We're gonna go for a natural look today. And then it's also like a clicker to get more product out. I'm gonna put some on the chin, on the forehead. Let's get a little bit more coverage on these pimples here, or acne marks, because they're not pimples anymore. By the way, I'm using the Makeup by Mario brush. This is my all-time favorite brush. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hand. Next, we're gonna stick with using a lot of the cream products before setting my face down. So I'm gonna use the YSL Lip and Cheek Balmy Tint, and this one's in the color New Flush, NU Flush. I'm gonna put some to the back of my hand. My hands might be looking a little red or purple because it is freezing right now, like freezing. It looks really bright, okay, but I love blush. And this is the color. I'm gonna take my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH17 brush, and it looks like this. It has a flat surface, and this one makes it perfect for my blush application. And the formula is like seriously a balm. Like, it looks, I don't know if you guys can see this. Do you see the texture on my hand? It's almost like Vaseline. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the cheeks, like so. And hey, why the hell not? We're going to go onto the lips. I'm like taking some on my finger from the back of my hand. I'm going to continue to blend this. I'm so ill, but searching for something I can't feel. I just want to be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate. So at the beginning of the video, I was telling you that I have an oily skin type. So I definitely have to set my face in order for this to like hold up throughout the day. I know, that looks intense, but we're gonna fix it, okay? Because we haven't gone in with bronzer yet. I do not have a YSL bronzer, but I am gonna use my Fenty Cream bronzer in the color Honey Glaze. I'm gonna start adding some depth to the perimeter of my face. With clouds, now I'm rising, I'm soaring up. Like that. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you guys, I am considering changing my name all over my social media. Like, I want my social media platforms to all be consistent, because right now I'm Tracey Does Makeup in every single platform. But 2024 is looking a little different. I feel like my content, especially on my other platforms, are becoming more than just makeup, and I don't want to be limited to getting partnerships only with beauty brands. I want to expand beyond makeup because I'm getting older, my interests are changing, and I just want to do more like lifestyle. And I also want to incorporate that into my YouTube videos. You guys know that I have been on my fitness journey. I've been losing some weight or whatever. And I'm also sharing a lot of like outfit of the days. And I want to bring that to YouTube. So I'll be changing my name, I think. It's scary, but I have to do it. I do have a few other YSL products, but right now I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier setting powder. I don't even know if YSL has setting powder, but we're going to use Laura Mercier right now to set the face. I want to go get that little powder puff that's like this from e.l.f. So I think I'm going to go do that today. I also want to try Rem Beauty. I see a Rem Beauty full face coming your way. If you guys have a Rem Beauty favorite, let me know down below in the comments so that I can go and stop by and pick those products up, but I have never tried anything from that brand. So the next product I'm going to use is actually from Bobbi Brown, and this is one of my favorite eyeshadow sticks. I've been using a lot of eyeshadow sticks because my eyes have become extremely sensitive to eyeshadows, like the powder eyeshadows, and my eyes just get crazy, like crazy red. So eyeshadow sticks have been my go-to. I'm gonna do very minimal makeup today, so I'm just gonna go in here like this and to the other eye. Well, let me just go in there with my finger, blend this out. So now that's blended out, I'm gonna go in with the shimmer side. This is a dual-ended eyeshadow stick, so I'm just gonna brighten up that corner a little bit with some of this shadow stick here. You know what? I'm also gonna take that dark brown that I applied first to the lower lash line. Like that. And then for my eyebrows, I have been so obsessed with this pomade in a pencil from Too Faced, and I'm going to use the color Espresso. If you guys want to know more about it, I do have a dedicated video. Actually, I'll post it here to my YouTube as a YouTube short. Take a look at my eyelashes using the YSL mascara. This is definitely one of my favorite mascaras because of its formula. My eyelashes don't look clumpy with this mascara. I love how it applies evenly on each eyelash hair. I love how this mascara builds up, and it also applies super good on the lower lashes. What I like to do is go in with my mascara. While I'm focusing on my lower lashes, I'm allowing the top to dry down before going in with my second coat. And even with that second coat, I don't get clumpy lashes. It just builds on so nice. And there are different colors of this mascara. They have it in blue. They also, I believe, have it in brown. Alright, and then next I'm going to go into, I don't have a YSL lip liner, so I'm going to go into this ColourPop Lippy pencil in the color BFF2. The Lippy Balm really moisturizes my lips, so it's kind of making the pencil slip a little bit. I'm not trying to get it too precise. And then this is my absolute favorite lip product. I apply this for the gym or anytime I just need a little bit of color onto my lips. Not a little bit. It's actually pretty pigmented. This one is in the color 05. It does not have a name on it. I think it's just number 5. But it has high shine. I believe these have gone viral all over TikTok for a good reason. I really love pink, so they do have other colors, but this is definitely one of my favorites because it looks really natural. And just check out that shine. It is beautiful. And then last but not least, I'm going to do a final touch using this YSL highlighter. And this one is in the color New Gold, NU Gold. I'm going to apply it to the back of the hand. It's my first time trying this, so hopefully I don't ruin my makeup because I think my complexion looks pretty nice. It looks very natural with the skin tint. Do I go in with my finger? Maybe a brush. I'm going to use a brush, a highlighting brush. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm going to apply some to the brow bone as well, to the nose, and over to this side. Look how pretty that glows. It looks really natural too. I really love how pretty and subtle this makeup look is. This does not feel heavy at all. That's what I love about it, because when I have a heavy face full of makeup, like things start separating or they start settling into my fine lines. And it's just not the vibe lately. Lately, it's just feeling comfortable in my own skin without feeling like my face is melting off. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look. It's super simple, but if you're a simple girl, I think you guys will definitely enjoy a lot of these products. Let me know what your guys' current favorite brand is. I want to do like more full face using like a particular brand. I kind of want to do like either Valentino Beauty or, like I previously said, Rem Beauty. I've never tried Rem Beauties. What other brand do I want to do like a full face with? Oh no, but right now I'm currently crossing my fingers that I get the ColourPop Twilight collection. Have you guys seen that? I am so excited because I absolutely love Twilight. But I will leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for spending time out of your day to hang out with me. I'll leave you guys with all the product links down below in the description box. If you guys do decide to shop through those links, I do earn commission, which supports me and my kids, and I really appreciate that I have your guys' support. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, it is free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every single time that I do have a new video, especially since I'm going to be changing my YouTube name. So I want you guys to be notified when I do have a new video, because then you're going to be like, who is this? No, my name is still going to be a part of it. I plan to keep Tracey in my handle. So yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.